Can you hear the geese? Are they gonna hear the geese? I hate the geese. Okay, I'm ready. No. What's up, world? Today we are doing a TOEIC video focused on one listening task for the TOEIC test. We're going to do some sample questions and talk about a few strategies as well. Ready? Okay, let's get started. Just a reminder, the TOEIC is a test of English for international communications. Anything that you hear in the listening section of the TOEIC is something you could hear in an office or a business setting. Okay, so here is what you need to know for this task. You are going to hear one question. Then you will hear 3 responses. So you have to choose the correct response to the question. And you will hear about 25 of these questions. Let's do an example question together. Example question 1. What time does the meeting start? A. Just after 2 o'clock. B. Yes, he is meeting with his boss. C. The interview starts soon. The correct answer is yes, just after 2 o'clock. Answer A. But now, let's talk about how we answered this question. This question is a perfect example of how the TOEIC tries to trick you. If we look at answer A, it gives us a specific time. And the question asks us what time. It's a WH question. What are WH questions? Who, what, where, when, and why. But also how is included in that as well. Look out for WH questions and know the differences between them. Answer B said yes, he is in a meeting with his boss. This answer has the word meeting in it, which is the same word that is in the question. This is another common trick that the TOEIC does. They want you to hear the same word in the answer that you hear in the question. So you think, oh, I heard the word meeting in answer B, I heard the word meeting in the question, so maybe answer B is correct. Don't do it. It's a trick. And then answer C. The meeting starts soon. Here we have the word soon, which could be an answer to this time question. However, the question asks us what time does the meeting start? And answer C, does it say the meeting? No, it says the interview. So those are 2 different things. Alright, so now let's do 3 more practice questions. And then I will give you some time to answer these questions on your own. I am going to read each question, and then I will read 3 possible answers for each question. On a piece of paper, write down what you think the answer is. Number 2. Did you make a hotel reservation? A. Room number 223. B. Yes, it's for January. C. I don't like traveling. Number 3. Who gave you this letter? A. She gave it to me last Tuesday. B. My boss sent it to me. C. I haven't seen her lately. Number 4. It's a bit cold in here. A. It's not here. B. I gave it to you already. C. I'll close the windows. How was it? Good, I hope. Let's go over the answers. Number 2, the answer is B. Because answer B tells you a time, January. This is also a yes or no question, and answer B has a yes in it. Answer A tells you a room number, but the question didn't ask for a room reservation, it asked for a hotel reservation. Answer C is unrelated. Number 3, the answer is B. My boss sent it to me. This is another WH question, a who question. And answer B is the only one that fully answers it. A tells you when the letter was sent. Answer C has a person in the answer, but it also has some extra information not asked for in the question. And answer number 4 is C. I'll close the windows. This question is special. It's called an implied meaning question. An implied meaning question asks you to do something without actually asking directly. This question, it's actually a statement and not a question. It's a bit cold in here. There's no question, right? So the person wants you to figure out what they want, what they mean, without actually directly asking it. Answer A does the same words trick where you have the word here in the question, here in the answer, but the rest of the answer doesn't make sense. Answer B is completely unrelated, so answer C is the only one that works. If it's cold, okay, I'll close the windows. So let's review a little bit about what we learned today for the TOEIC listening question and answer task. Number 1, know your WH questions and the differences between them. Number 2, watch out for the same words trick. If you hear in an answer the same word as you hear in a question, it's probably a trick. And number 3, be ready for implied meaning questions, which actually aren't questions at all. So that's it for this TOEIC video. So click here if you want to see any of my other videos on TOEFL, and click here to subscribe to my channel. I'm Teacher Mike, and I'll see you next time.